In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Player 2 on Wii. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an additional Wii mode or a secondary controller that you would like to use in conjunction with Player 1, then all that you have to do is synchronize it using this method. So this will be done primarily wirelessly. So the Wii modes will function wirelessly when connected to the Nintendo Wii. If you have any different models, the process should be the same. So all that you have to do is first take this cover off of the Nintendo Wii, and in here you will find this synchronize red button. So you will see the sync button available here underneath this cover next to the disc slot. So you open this cover, you see the sync button, and all that you have to do is press the sync button on the console itself, so the Nintendo Wii, below the cover, and then you press the button available on the Wii mode. This is going to be below or underneath the battery cover. So at the back of the Wii mode, remove the battery cover, and you should be able to access this button. Even if you have batteries inserted, they shouldn't interfere with this button. So go ahead and press it for a few seconds. If possible, try to press them at roughly the same time, and this will allow you to synchronize both devices together. So the Nintendo Wii console should be able to detect the controller and vice versa. Once both of them have communicated with each other, the secondary light on the controller will light up. So even though in this image I have the first one lit up, you will see this secondary square light up. And if you have additional Wiimotes, they are going to be lit up on the third and fourth player slot respectively, so you can see which player is assigned to which controller. Once you have the controller set up, you can open any compatible game, and each of you will be able to control your own character individually. Remember that not all games will support additional players, but the ones that do will function right away natively, and you don't have to spend time setting it up. As long as you connected the controller properly, they will be detected upon opening the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Player 2 on Wii. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.